Today I'm going to be smoking some chicken on my Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro. The first thing I did with the chicken is cut them down to size, and I'm going to brine them overnight, which I've already This done. Is a beer brine chicken, so I use the PBR, some water, some apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, little garlic. I threw in some rosemary just to be fancy. I drain the brine off and then lightly rinse the chicken in cold water. I'm gonna towel dry it. Let this air dry in the refrigerator for an hour or two. Preparing this for the smoker, I'm going to use some yellow mustard as a binder. This is where I get my hands a little dirty. For the dry rub, I'm going to start out with some garlic and this Voodoo by Meat Church. It has garlic in it. It's sugar, brown sugar, paprika, garlic, and stuff. The sugar is the attraction to this. Turn the bird over, hit it with some more garlic. Let's put some more of that on there, rub it in, and I will let that rest for an hour or two at minimum. I imagine my neighbors are a little jealous with all this smoked chicken flavor in the air. All meats, in my opinion, smoked and grilled, taste better the next day. Cold cuts. That's the way I really like my meat.